Hi guys, it's Manuel the IT guy, and I have another amazing application I think you should know about. Yes, you. Right. So I met this guy at a tech meetup, and we had a chit chat. Boys stuff. It was time to exchange contacts, and all this guy did was to bring out his phone, open this image as a QR code, asked me to turn on my camera. I placed my camera on this code, and just by doing that, I had his name, his location, his email, his phone numbers saved on my phone. And I just thought, this is pretty cool. You guys should know about this, right? So guys, let's see how to achieve this. Anyways, shout outs to Herman Odami from MTN Momo. Guys, let's check this out. So you can do this on your phone or your laptop, whichever one you have around. So you just go to your browser and search for QR code monkey. Right, click on the first link. You can explore. There are lots of things you can do. You can embed music in your QR code and stuff like that. But for the purpose of this video, we go to vCard, click on vCard. So you input your first name, last name, organization, position, whatever information you want to share in the QR code, right? And from there, just click on create QR code, right? Once you click on create QR code, it will generate a code for you. Then you just download the code. So if you need to share any contact with anybody, all you have to do is just go to your gallery, show them the QR code, they just turn on the camera, and that is they have received.
Hey, this guy like blessing.
Jump for you, mountain top, I will climb for you. Climb for your love, I infected me. Utoni muhimu, papa.